Well, the Electret is ready, and this is my tester. Well, we have too much light. The blue LED is maximum. I'm testing with this aluminum foil, nothing. With this gamma alpha source, nothing. With gamma source, with wax, with Electret, the blue is red. The thing is, I think the temperature for the Electret should not be go more than 200 of Celsius degree, because of it will change the dimensions like this, and they are not stay to each other, the part of the rosin and the wax. So it's much better if you keep the temperature maximum for 200. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.